Today, guys, we're playing Let's Roblox. Okay. Oh, we're gonna play Call of Duty. Oh, no. In the next video, we're gonna play Call of Duty. Okay. So, we're gonna play is like Grow a Garden because my account is get hacked. My main account is hacked, and the Grow a Garden account is my favorite account. Somebody hack it, but I don't know who hacked it. Guys, if you are Filipino, subscribe right now. I'm Filipino. Yeah, was a bit laggy, okay? Oh, what the fuck, man? That's my garden right here. But, I'm a noob at this. I miss this game so much. Oh, shit. Meh. It's great to be back. It's great to be back. Oh, watch. It's great to be back. It's great to be back. Is this my garden? No. Well, hello, Sam. Let's go. Oh. Oh! Green is working. No. How? Okay. Oh no, the flood! It's this laggy boy. Oh, ay, ay! Wait, guys. Ang halid din ito. It's a bit laggy, what the fuck? Man, bro. So far, I think I'm gonna play like Brookhaven or something. Oh, let's try this. Your fish pond. I never thought this is my oldest game to play. Going up, oh, what the? Let me. Hey, what the fuck? Oh no. I got search right now, bro. Wow, I don't know what to play or anything. So, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Reaper Legends, what the Newsmith. Let me do that. Bro, look at that booty, man. Get. I'm gonna troll some people here. I'm gonna troll some people here. Oh my god, bro, the lag is crazy. See ya. Guys, see ya.